Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video. Today in this video I'm going to guide you on how to unlink the Facebook account and Instagram account. It's very simple, just you need to follow my steps. So let's start the video. Open the Instagram app first. Tap on the profile icon at the top right bottom corner. And now you will see your profile interface. Now tap on the three vertical lines that is at the top right corner. And now go to the Meta account center that is at the very first. Here scroll down a bit and you will see the accounts option that is below at the bottom, so tap on it. And now here you will see your both accounts, Instagram accounts and Facebook accounts. Here tap on the remove option in which you want to remove. Also, before removing the account, you can learn more about the losses if you remove the accounts. For this, tap on the learn more. Otherwise, tap on the remove option to unlink the account. So that's it for this video. If this video helped you, then hit the like button and do subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye, see you all in the next video.